I'm Bob Spatz, Director of Dealer Operations at Kriete Truck Centers. So I work with the general managers of our 6 mid-market locations, and I provide support and guidance to help them reach their business plan goals and to grow their dealerships. Quad axle dump trucks are a big part of our business plan, and a sticking point in getting those finished trucks to the customer was always the body builders that we were using. They always would overpromise and underdeliver, and it was an issue. So we're now mounting bodies ourselves. We buy the bodies from cross-country manufacturing and we install them in our own facilities. I'm a problem solver by nature, and I enjoy helping people sort out problems that are frustrating them or that they seem are complicated, and often when guys are caught in the whirlwind that they don't quite see the whole picture. So I enjoy helping them break it down into smaller pieces and helping them eat the elephant one bite at a time, if you will.